At the beginning of May, we celebrate the feast day of Saint Asaph, the patron saint of our diocese in northeast Wales. Now, Asaph is a bit of a tricky saint, to tell the truth. He belongs to the age of saints when there's a lot of legend and very little historical fact. Asaph probably did exist. There are enough places named after him. Asaph was a figure of legend, but of legend of holiness and service. The big story is that when he was looking after St. Kentigern, his abbot, he went to fetch coals from the fire in order to warm Kentigern and was able to pick up the live coals and carry them in the fold of his cloak without any danger or problem. We celebrate Asaph because we believe he is a family saint. Indeed, the diocese likes to talk of itself as the Taili Asaph, the family of Saint Asaph, as together we seek to learn and to grow as followers of Jesus.